Welcome to Brain Vision.
So for this problem, we know that f of x, y, z is equal to y negative x to z. And then we also have that x squared plus z squared, x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 4. So that tells us that z is equal to the square root of 4 minus x squared minus y squared. And that's going to be our g of xy. The reason why we want it to call it g of xy is because we're going to find the partial derivatives with respect to x and y. So it'll give us negative x over the square root of 4 minus x squared minus y squared. And then our y partial derivative is of a similar form. Then we want to implement this formula right here, which says f dot ds is equal to the double integral of p times gx plus q times gy minus r dA. It's minus r because it's oriented downward. So then what we can do is multiply these and keep in mind that our p value is right here and our x or q value is right here. So what's going to happen is we're going to take this integral and we're going to have y times negative x over the square root of 4 minus x squared minus y squared. And then over here, this is going to be plus a negative x times a negative y over the square root of 4 minus x squared minus y squared. So keep in mind that this right here is going to give us a positive xy. This will give us a negative xy, and it's the same denominator, so these are all going to cancel out very nicely. Then all we'll be left with is minus r dA, and in this case our r is going to be negative 2 root 4 minus x squared minus y squared. As soon as we see that x squared and y squared, we should automatically think to convert it to polar coordinates, and that is exactly what we'll do. Our bounds are going to be 0 to 2 pi and 0 to 2 as our radius. So now we'll have negative 2r root 4 minus r squared dr d theta. The d theta, there's no theta involved in the integral, so we'll just get a 2 pi times this integral right here. And in fact, we can even move out the negative 2, so now we have a negative 4 pi r root 4 minus r squared dr. Using the substitution method would be best, and what we're going to end up getting as a result is going to be a 8 over 3. So we'll have negative 4 pi times 8 over 3 is our final result from here. So that's going to give us a negative 32 pi over 3 for our final answer.